Yo, good morning everybody. Welcome back to a brand new video. We're starting our morning off at Pine State Biscuits. About to get this morning work in. We have a long day ahead of us. We're in Oregon right now and we're gonna drive all the way down to California. But before we do that, we're gonna drop by the Nike employee store. It's gonna be my first time there. I'm super excited to see what they have. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay guys, we're inside the Nike employee store. This is my first time here. I don't even know if I'm allowed to vlog, but I'm gonna show you guys some stuff that I'm gonna pick up. It's a $3,000 limit or 30 item limit, whichever one comes first. But I think I found my first pickup right here. Nick was wearing these and honestly, I didn't like them on shelf like that, but on feet, they look fire.
And you know the best part
about it.
They are kind of expensive retail.
$185.
But since we're at the employee store, 40% off.
40% off and no tax out here. So we're gonna kind of treat ourselves today.
This right here is like a sneaker customizer's dream. It's like the perfect base to make like a custom. Because it's already white. All you gotta do is paint these panels.
Do I hear Tiffany Tuesday coming soon?
I made one like that already.
They got Jordan section over here. I'm super happy with these already. But let's see what else we could find. These Roshis would be $45. Just finished up at the employee store. Got some stuff. I'll show you guys it a little bit later so you can see it in detail. And then we'll show David's pickups as well.
No, you won't see it.
What?
You have to go over to my channel and you have to wait 4 years for me to upload a video.
No! No!
Yo, I kind of messed up. I was supposed to record a little bit more inside the Nike store. That ended up not happening, so my bad on that, my bad. Obviously, as you guys can see, I'm back at home now. And after going over the footage, I feel like I was just so overwhelmed. I felt like I had to buy so many things inside the Nike store, and that's what I was mainly focused on instead of getting content. So I got a little carried away. Again, my bad. But I figured I would go ahead and end this video off by just showing you some of the pickups that I got. Now, I didn't splurge like I thought I would. I honestly thought that the Nike store would be filled with a lot more options. I did find some things. I didn't go crazy though, which is a good thing. So let me show you guys what I picked up. Of course, I got my homegirl Butters with me. Hello, Butters. She's a bit sad right now because she knows that I'm packing up and I'm getting ready to leave her. So I'm not gonna be able to see her for a couple weeks because your boy is going to Japan. Starting off with a straight up banger. We got these Air Max Plus Drifts. I believe that's what they're called. When we were going around downtown Portland, I saw these on shelves and I was like, okay, they're all right, like they're cool. But when my homie Nick wore him, I was like, okay, now I see what's up. Like now I get the vibe. So shout out to Nick. He's the one that put me on these. This shoe right here is just a funky looking shoe. It's just one of those shoes that you throw on. You're feeling kind of funky. You want to pop out a little bit. These Air Max Plus Drifts are hella nice. Now I did see another colorway. It was more of like a sand colorway, but it just didn't hit the same as this pair right here. Now fortunately, we saw these at the Nike employee store, which means that I got these for a stupid good deal. If you were to buy these at the retail store, I believe these retailed for around 180 or 185 bucks. But I was able to purchase these for 40% off, and I think they ended up being around 110 or $115. So you know I had to pick these babies up. If y'all would like a review of these, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're ever able to get them for a discount, I would highly recommend them. I ended up getting 2 shiesties. For what? I have no idea, but I got them for like 40% off, so why not, right? I also ended up getting these track pants, but I already packed them in a vacuum seal bag, so I'm just gonna throw them up on the screen, so my bad. But I already wore them once, and they're super comfortable, and I'm hella happy with that pickup. And for the last pickup, I ended up getting some Nike running gloves. These are 3M, so they're super sick when the light hits them, and I just like how thin they are. I have the Nike Tech Fleece gloves, but I just feel like it just feels very bulky when you wear them. But with this set of gloves, it just feels nice on the hands. And whenever it's cold outside, you're traveling or whatever, these are just, they feel nice. Like they feel good. The fingers got the tips on them so you can use your phone and all that. I'm super happy with these. I also ended up getting these Dusty Olive Dunk Lows. If I remember correctly, when these first came out, they were going for over 200 bucks and I just wasn't trying to pay that. But when I went in the store, I saw them sitting and I had to grab them. The quality of the shoe is hella nice, and for that price point, I couldn't pass it up. I think this is a solid one right here. Oh, and I almost forgot this pickup right here, the Nike Calm Slides. I'll be honest, these aren't the most comfortable slippers that I've had, but as you wear them, they definitely do break in a little bit more. It's almost like when your feet get a little bit warm and it just starts to mold to your foot. Picked these up at the employee store also. And for the last pickup, I got this back at home. So we went ahead and visited Huff in SF, and I thought this hat was stupid fire. It has corduroy hits over every other panel on the hat. Huff detailing on the back. Huff forever, baby. But yeah, that's it for the pickups. Again, nothing too crazy. I am going on a trip soon, so I'm trying to splurge outside the US and in Japan. I'm just super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.